Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love skincare and beauty products but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share the latest Trulybeauty coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025, plus show you how to buy Trulybeauty products with a discount. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. Trulybeauty is known for their viral skincare collections. From unicorn fruit body butter to CBD, creams, serums, scrubs, and acne-fighting formulas. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and packed with high-quality ingredients. And the best part is you don't have to pay retail when you use the right coupon codes. Here are the codes you can try. Truly20, save 20% off site-wide. Welcome 15, flat 15% off for first-time buyers. Bundle 25, 25% off when you grab 2 or more products. Free ship. Free shipping on orders over $50. Beauty 10, extra 10% off sale items. How to buy Trulybeauty with a discount. Click the special link in the description. Add your favorite products to the cart. At checkout, enter one of the coupon codes. Confirm the discount and complete your order. It's that easy. So don't wait. Truly, beauty products sell out fast, and these deals won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and save on your next skincare haul today. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and beauty hacks, and let me know in the comments which product you're picking up. See you in the next one.